how to buy team from Envato. So the first thing that you have to do is that you have to create an account and then log in. So as you can see, I've created an account. If you don't have an account, look in the video description down below. I'm having a video on how to create an account. Create an account and then log in, and then come and make sure that you are within the Envato. And then from where we have all items, come and then click on the down arrow, and then within it, simply come and then locate the WordPress and select it. So as you can see, WordPress is selected, and then you can search for any theme using the search bar. The other way to it is that you simply come here to where we have the more, and then come and then click on the down arrow. Okay, so from here, simply come here to where we have the web. Okay, so within the web, you are going to see that we have the all WordPress. Under it, you are going to see we have the theme. Come and click on the theme. So when you click on the theme, it is going to bring you to the theme category. Then you can scroll through and then select the type of theme that you want. Okay, so we have the Elementor, we have the e-commerce, we have the portfolio, agency, blog, we have all of these. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm simply going to select blog by clicking on blog, and all these are themes within blog. Okay, so when you get the one that you want to buy, all that you have to do is to simply put the mouse on it, and then this is going to show. Okay, you will see that we have the download button. Come and then click on the download button. So when you click on the download button, it is going to bring you right here to subscribe to download. Come and then click on it. So when you click on the subscribe to download, you have to come and then select the individual plan. Okay, and then click on start now. So when you click on start now, you have to come and then fill in your payout details. Okay, your last name, and then the company, it is optional. Since there is no asterisk, you can leave it like that. Okay, that is the company name. The country, you have to provide it, as well as there is asterisk, you have to provide it. Okay, and then we have the city, and then the province, we have the zip code, and then over here you can come and then select the credit card by simply checking the circle. Then you have to fill in your details. Okay, make sure you put in the correct details before you be able to make any payment. Okay, and then you can also go by PayPal by checking it, and then the PayPal, you have to allow PayPal payments. Okay, and then come here and then come and then check this box to agree to their terms of service. Okay, it is very important to always check it. And then over here you are going to see the other. We have monthly. You can come and then select monthly, and then this is going to be the amount that you are going to pay. And then we have the annual too. The annual comes with a discount. Okay, and then this is going to be the amount that you are going to pay within the annual. Then after that, what that you have to do is simply come and then click on checkout, and then you get your theme. Beside you downloading it directly, you can also come and then select add to collection. Okay, so when you click on it over here, you have to come and then name your collection. So after naming the collection, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on create and add to collection. And then over here, to find your collection, simply come to your account, and then within the account, you're going to see my collections. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here to your collections. Okay, so when you come here, you see that we have created a collection, and then we have one item here. In front of it, you have three dots. When you click on it, you can delete it, you can rename it, you can share it. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to click on it. So when you click on it, it is going to open like this, and then from here you get the download option as well. So when you click on it, you'll be able to subscribe and then download. So this is how to do it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.